Welcome to Waiohuli Beach Hale, Unit 201. So I wanted to start down here at the parking lot. This is where you would park, and you work your way up the stairs there, and it's the top corner unit there. So you can see into the building. So this is what is adjacent. You got additional parking, and then this is Lapoa Street right on the other side of that hedge. You've got some more condos on the other side of the road, and then it dead ends. You can't quite see from here, but it dead ends just past that green fence there at the beach. So that's the road that you access from, coming in the driveway here. So I'll head up the stairs here and we will take a look.
Hello. Come on, Sadie.
This is looking off the edge of the building. They do have the cleaner in here right now preparing for a check-in. First bedroom. Got your louvered windows looking out back towards the parking lot. Got these nice mahogany sliding doors. Work our way down the hall.
Sub-zero fridge, 2 freezer drawers. Show you a couple things here that you might not notice either, but they're valuable. Pantry, solid maple and going. Something's weird now. Oh, it just came off. Okay, got it.
Oh, it's just the hinge.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hinge is loose.
Anyways,
Mahogany cabinets. You got these pull-out
full
pantry.
out and soft close.
Nice.
Lockable. Lockable down there. Smooth ceilings, $90,000 of improvements before my buyers bought it. LED lighting.
And how come they're selling?
Been selling for a while. They were really firm on price and they wouldn't budge. Now they just dropped from $562 to $549. I don't know the level of motivation now, but
Yeah.
we just had somebody in right before you doing a 1031 seemed serious. The people before that said they were very serious, so who knows. But pretty good location for its price with 2-bedroom. And this, not all the units in here have the second bedroom up front facing the ocean, which is nice for sleeping and fresh air and view. And then the other big thing here is not all the units have a washer dryer, so a lot of people have to carry their
So this one does have in-unit.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that is huge.
for
That's
rentals
great.
and all of that.
That is great. Most of these do have to use the central laundry. Okay, we'll take a look at the master bedroom here.
There's a dresser in that closet too that's nice, so you don't have to use floor space.
Look outside here.
You have the AC that's set in here. All the units require the AC to be built into the wall.